Doing a track walk at GRMX in Carlin, and I gotta say, pulled up, never been here before. I thought this was the track that was near, you could see from I-80 that I saw like 20 years ago, but apparently it's not. But they've been doing some really good work on this track. So we're gonna walk around here with Isla's. It's her first time on here. Apologies for the wind, I'm sure it's in the camera or in the microphone, but man, they've worked a lot here. The jumps some of them are pretty big, some of them aren't so big, some of them are easy, some of them aren't so easy. Some of them have various degrees of easy. That step up or that tabletop right there, this camera does not show it justice exactly how big it is, but you can clear it halfway, you can clear it all the way. And that's how a lot of the tabletops here are. They're kind of like doubles with really flat or just little landing areas. Then you can go big and jump out all the way. But it's crazy. I was not expecting the track to be this cool. I'm walking down to this other area. You see Isla over there. But yeah, the owner, whoever owns it, just hit him up on Facebook. Said we could come out here, gave us the gate code. It's pretty cool of him. Just hope I don't break a leg out here by myself. That would suck. So there's the finish line tabletop, it looks like. I'm walking over to this area because this area has a lot of cool rhythm section here. It looks pretty neat. Yeah, people ridden here pretty soon. It looks reasonably soon. Oh, there's the Pee-wee track, I guess. Man, this is sand or dirt, just like what I grew up with. It's just soft and develops just a thin powder, like talcum powder or something. All right, I'm almost there. Luckily, the main track is, you won't hear me say it often, luckily the main track is fairly hard pack. Again, this is exactly what I would ride on growing up. This thin layer of gravel on top of hard packed dirt. Sucks to crash. Let's see if we can get this rhythm section here. Oh yeah. You can see it right there. Nice triple. There's the rhythm. Oh man, that's wicked. It's just I should have taken this while I was driving in. So there's a tiny, kind of a tabletop jump in the back, right? And then there's this triple here. It's actually pretty big. Clear it all the way. Oh man, here's another double. Even bigger. Oh man. So there's that double, the takeoff, landing. It's just like it's super, oh no, it's just a roller. Roller followed by a tabletop. Yeah, you were not going to clear that. Unless it's just got this giant landing like that, but it's cool. And right there's a little double tabletop. Give it some gas! Throttle! Yeah, there she goes. Yeah, there's some pretty cool doubles like this. Yeah, wow. That's a great track. Holy cow, man. Really tough. Alright, well that's track it looks like. They've done a lot of work here and it looks pretty cool.